Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting hairstyling video tutorial. We are gonna learn here how to make some beautiful and lovely hairstyles. So just tie and knot your hair in this manner, get a beautiful arch pattern and then tuck your hair with the help of these lovely attractive clips. Keep on proceeding. Now here you have to get the hairs out, make a long braid in the hair in this manner and get the hair and make these beautiful tucked out patterns like this, and you need to just secure your hair and interlock them in this manner. This is gonna look pretty. Now you have to make it look like this. Keep on proceeding. You have to again get the hairs out and get them beautifully tucked and made in this manner. You have to secure them in this way, get the hairs out and make it a lovely and beautiful pattern in this way. Now you need to just roll them up and you will end up getting a beautiful lovely flowery pattern in the hair in this manner, and this is gonna look even more amazing when you tuck it with a beautiful clip. Now here again you have to get the hairs and then just secure it beautifully, interlocking the patterns in this manner, and you have to just keep on making it in this way, and in the end just get it in this manner, make the butterfly clips in this way. Thank you guys.